Yeah, another day. Another frost this morning, around a little bit later this morning. Because it was cold. I didn't want to get out of bed. But it is cold this morning. We'll get this walk done. We've got, I'm going to whip out the chainsaw this morning. Somebody here on the road. So we'll just have a look. Yeah, they're the railway folks, probably inspectors or something, having a look at the track. That's okay. They got a job, they're working, that's good. Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah, we won't be going across. Yes, so we're back in the backyard as I promised. We're going to get the chainsaw out. We've got a few bits on the jig here, and we've scrounged a few bits, not from this area, but from over there before it rained. And they've been languishing in the shed, and now it's time to do the business. Well, I gotta tell you, this is, I've owned 4 chainsaws in my life. This is the best one. This Perlebarb from Jono and Jono does the job. And if I really needed another chainsaw, I'd buy another one of them. Just brought it back inside. There's nothing to do, really. I could take it apart and clean it, but I've only cut a couple of cuts with it. So I'm going to leave it. Yeah, the weather's gone all feral too. It was nice and sunshiny when we were cutting, and now we've got a couple of storm clouds coming over, and it looks like it's going to rain. So what we're going to do is leave everything in the shed. Yes! So we may have to rekindle the flames inside. I don't know, but it has turned. Yeah, I've just come back from the mailbox, and I've got a pamphlet on learn how to identify depression, anxiety, and their causes. I think I've done that already, but thanks for the information. Well, I think I'm a bit of an expert on that. Anyway, look, thanks for watching this video. It's been fantastic. And if you haven't subscribed yet, or if you're just not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button, at least give us a thumbs up, give us a like. It helps the algorithm grab hold of this video and gets it presented to other folks. So I'd appreciate it if you do that. And again, thanks for watching. Look, we'll catch up with you in our next video. We'll see you then. Gee, it's cold. It's starting to get really cold, and we'll get that fire on inside. See ya.